Hey guys, in today's video it's just going to be advice for my fellow Somali girls. Number 1, you cannot have a boyfriend. You know the deen, your Hoya knows the deen, your Abba knows the deen, your Ayaya knows the deen, your cousins, dog walkers, ex-husbands, psychiatrists knows the deen. But if you want to be slick Rick and you want to have a boyfriend, here's a tip. Don't get caught. He's supposed to be a secret. Why does the whole town know about it, furthermore? I'm just surprised that your Hoya hasn't even heard of this from Halima After. Every day of a girl's life is Judgment Day. But the worst one would have to be going to an aros and all the habriyal sitting on the other end of the room are staring at you like, it's been 12 minutes and they're still staring at you like. You go to the bathroom, you come out and they're still staring at you like. I know in your head you're thinking, Fatima, don't worry, on the day of Yom Qiyamah, Allah's gonna ask them why they judged me. But did you see what she was wearing at the wedding? Who wears a tight maxi dress from boohoo.com to an aros? The sleeves were up to here. You didn't shave your pits, did you? So that's advice number 2. Don't wear an outfit that attracts so much attention that no one sees the bride coming in through the door. Rule number 3, catfish. Oh no, Somali girls want a guy like Khalid Abdurrahman, but you end up with a Farah Warsame. So you're gonna get catfished on Instagram by that one girl that doesn't like you. Whether she's in your history class, she's at your duksi, she works with you at bed, she is gonna catfish you because you slay every day 24/7 and she hates it. She's gonna make those catfishers account, those ones with the no profile picture, and has those sleazy quotes like, "Don't judge me. You will get judged." Then there's going to be that light-skinned guy's Instagram account that's fake, and the quote is always, "I like girls in dirats and batis." Once you accept one of those accounts, they're going to see all your pictures, and before you know it, Halim's going to come up to you and she's going to say, "Bro, why weren't you wearing a qamar on that Instagram picture? You know the one you posted 62 weeks ago?" Rule number 4, that caked face you're trying to pull off, yep, mashaqiriya. Fatima, we've seen you in town hanging out with Halima and Farhiya, but we all know you're hanging out with Mohammed Lightskin and Abdi Kafir, but that's not my business. I don't even know how they can put up with you. Your face is caked to the max. If I was there, I'd say, "Bah musqushaad, iska daq." Seriously, makeup ka waa ku liidata. Iska daq, wir marso. Rule number 5, stay away from Ayala Suq boys. They are everywhere in this 2015 generation, rolling around in their turbo car that Hoya didn't allow them to buy. They will literally do anything to ruin your reputation, and when you say it's his fault, everyone's like, "Weel kadawa miskin." So what am I, a cockroach? Stay away from them, or else everyone in town is going to be like, "Fatima Ali wisku haartay." That is the end of the video. I hope you found this advice useful, and you know what, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys on Teledo.